Ever wish you could shift gears without touching the clutch lever or even rolling off the throttle? That's exactly what a quick shifter does. It feels like magic, sounds incredible, and might even make you a faster rider. But could a quick shifter undermine your clutch skills? Let's open up the shop manual and find out. This episode of the Shop Manual is powered by DuraBoost batteries. Get 10% off your DuraBoost purchase at RevZilla.com with discount code 10OFF-TSM. A quick shifter is an electronic device that allows you to shift up and sometimes down without pulling in the clutch lever or even rolling off the gas. You simply toe the shifter and you're in the next gear before you know it. Similar to semi-floating rotors, radial brake calipers, and inverted forks, quick shifters originated in racing, where the few tenths of a second they save and the attention they free up by simplifying shifting can help win a race. In the past 20 years or so though, quick shifters have moved from the track to the street, and now you can find them on pretty much everything, from sport bikes to small displacement naked bikes to ADVs and even full-size touring bikes. And that's because quick shifters are convenient and frankly, really fun to use. But how does a quick shifter work? Normally, when you shift a motorcycle, you roll off the gas slightly and pull in the clutch lever. And the reason you do that is to reduce pressure on the transmission gears so that they can slide over to the next position when you toe the shift lever. With a quick shifter, there is a device in the shift linkage that senses lever motion and momentarily cuts ignition timing and/or fuel. So right as you begin to move the lever, there is a brief cut in power that unloads the transmission just enough to allow you to shift up to the next gear combo. Some quick shifters also work for downshifts by flaring the throttle plates to blip the throttle, automatically rev matching for you. And I gotta say, dropping multiple gears in succession without using the clutch while trail braking into a corner, whew, that's a special kind of thrill. And if your motorcycle doesn't have a quick shifter, there are aftermarket kits from companies like FlashTune, DynoJet, and Bazzaz that will allow you to get in on that full throttle upshifting fun. So, quick shifters are undeniably exciting. They are often smoother than manual shifting, and they're becoming increasingly accessible. However, you might be wondering if all of this automatic action is a fast track to manual shifting impotence. Well, if you're already adept with a clutch, then using a quick shifter is not going to undermine that muscle memory. But quick shifters are common enough that some new motorcyclists are learning to ride with them, which means they might not develop the coordination and finesse needed to shift smoothly the old-fashioned way. It is a dilemma, but the good news is that even if your bike has a quick shifter, the clutch lever still works. So maybe opt to use it every once in a while to keep your skills sharp. Quick shifters are definitely awesome, but if you're still curious or unsure about how to shift the old-fashioned way, scan that QR code on your screen for an article that explains all the nitty-gritty on shifting using the clutch. And please keep in mind that the shop manual, as well as all of the other videos that we produce here on the RevZilla YouTube channel, are made using funds that come from your purchase at RevZilla. So next time you need tires or parts for your bike or apparel for your body, please keep us in mind. Thanks.